In this video, we're telling you how to, set up the Security Bank mobile application, how to properly register it through the mobile. The first thing is go to the Apple Store or go to the iOS Store and download the Security app, bank application. I'll be attaching the link in the description below so you guys can directly access it. The second step is open up the app, tap on the register to begin with. So once you are tap on the register button, make sure you read the terms and condition and then continue to accept to proceed to the further step. So once you have done that, select your account type. That could be, saving account, checking account, time deposit, your credit card details, your UIDF, and after that, provide required information. That would be account, card number, mobile number, date of birth. Make sure the details match with your registered bank account, and then set your desired user ID and password. Keep them secure for the future use, and that will do it. After that, you will receive an OTP on your mobile application. That would be one-time password, and once you have given it, you'll be able to log into your account using the mobile application. I hope you find this